Well, hello, hello, hello. I had been recording. There was an interruption, so I had to stop. And you didn't see how I got to this point. I'm making snowflakes out of Q-tips. You can see that I've already glued some Q-tips down. I have glue on my paper, and these Q-tips are missing one end. I just broke it off with my fingers. I just bent it and broke it off. So I'm going to push these into place and try not to get my fingers all sticky. I put a dot of glue at the end. Oh, do you notice something? When I do this, it looks like a really long Q-tip right there where it's connected. So I'm trying to make a six-sided snowflake. The snowflakes do have six sides, not eight. All right, and the last one, I'm going to add that right there. Okay, so I have the basic snowflake shape here on these two. Let me show you how I made these. I just found the spot where I wanted to bend it, to break it, and I bend it back and forth a couple times. Voila. I'm saving the ends, and that's all I did. I used my little pinchers here, and I just bend it back and forth till it separates. So I have some extra little pieces. I think I'm going to take both ends off of these because I need some extra little parts. I'm going to show you how I did this snowflake. I'm going to make twins here. Twins, identical as I can get them. Let's see, I need to do that one more time. Bend this and it breaks right off. So you don't really need scissors for this. Just need your hands. Your hands are sometimes the best tools for making art. Okay, so I have lots of little extras right there. Then I have this piece, which is kind of long. I want it to be shorter, so right in the middle, I just bend and break it because I need 6 of these. So that's 2. And find the middle and bend and break. That's 3, 4. Bend and break the last one right in the middle. That's 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 6. So I'm going to make a hexagon shape right around the middle. So let me see, where should I place the glue? Okay, I see where, right about here. So I'm gonna use the tip of the glue bottle like a marker or a pen just to draw a line. I'm going to use it to draw a line of glue, and let's see, right there. And let's see, where should it go here? Oh, my finger's sort of sticky. I'm sticking. Ah! Okay, right about there. Let's see, right about there. Okay, keep going around. Right about there. See, it's starting to form a shape that looks like a hexagon. Wait, let's see if it fits. Okay, I was right. I had to make sure I don't want to put glue too far close and not have it glued in place correctly. All right, and there, right about there. All right, so I've got the middle of my snowflake done. Now I'm going to come around and just place 2 on each side of each end like this. Well, maybe I'll move it down. Maybe I'll change my design and move it down like that. Oh, yeah. Sometimes when you're making art, you get little bursts of inspiration and new ideas come. I don't always like to do the same thing every time, so I switch it up. So I'm going to put one here. I'll make it at an angle and put one here at an angle. Nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing on each side. So much for having twin snowflakes. I was going to make this one match the one on the other blue piece of paper, but that's okay. The beauty about using this school glue is that it dries clear. So right now you can sort of see little puddles of glue. That's okay. It's okay. It's going to dry and it'll be clear, just like this one did, and you won't be able to see where the extra glue was sort of hanging out. So check this out. Wow, it's beautiful. And I love that the Q-tips make it look soft, like snowflakes really are. Oops, it got stuck together. All right, this is my last one. Wow, wow. This turned out, I don't like that one. This turned out better than I expected. This turned out so much better than I expected. Oh, this was a wonderful surprise. Wow. Nice, right? I like it. There's so many different ways that you can do this. I even saw someone do this. They took 3 and instead of breaking at the end, they broke right in the middle to make short ones to go in between the long ones. And I'm going to do that right quick. So I'm going to break all of these in half. Now Q-tips is something that you can find at any dollar store for really cheap if you don't already have some hanging out in your house in the bathroom. That's where we keep our Q-tips, in the bathroom. So I'm just going to stick it in between each of these that are already there. Lay it in the glue, and I just let it sit still for a while. After a while, the glue will start to dry, and the snowflake is set and ready to be hung somewhere. You can hang it somewhere. I'm just going to push this up a little bit to make sure there's plenty of glue on the tip of the glue, on the tip of the Q-tip, to make it stay where it needs to stay. Right there. That's not super fancy, but I could go back and fancy it up. I definitely will. In fact, I'm going to surprise you. So I'm going to pause the video right now. I'm going to fancy this up and I'll be right back. Voila! What do you think? What do you think? I'm so happy. So it's just a simple handful of Q-tips, a little bit of glue, a darker piece of paper, and I choose purple and blue because they're cool colors. Snow is a very cool thing. It's very cool to watch, it's very cool to play in, and it's very cool to observe under a microscope. Scientists have looked at snowflakes under microscopes for years to see how all the crystals are formed, and I tell you what, it's just amazing. I'm just awestruck by how beautiful they are. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did like the video, go ahead and subscribe and come back another time for more fun. That was awesome. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you see snow this winter. I'm hoping to. Bye. See you till next time. See you next time. Bye. Bye.